Hi folks, I'm Bill Gamble and I'm here with my business partner Bernard Harris, and we'd just like to talk to you for a second. We're both retired military, and we'd like to talk to you a second about Ameriplan discount dental and medical services. Again, we are retired military, for both of us, for over 25 years, and we both and our families use this program. We use this program, so we have no problem in recommending it to you. I would not recommend to anyone a program that I personally could not vouch for. But my wife and I personally have used, and by the way, we are both, we have Medicare eligible, plus we have TRICARE for life, so we don't have particular issues with our own individual medical and dental support needs. But the purpose of our little meeting today is to let you know that we are solidly behind Ameriplan's dental and medical services program because we personally use it. Everybody needs dental support. We think that Ameriplan's Dental Plus program is the very best in the country for $24.95 to support you and your household for any dental needs that you might need, as well as the Plus Part. The Plus Part discounts for your vision needs, discounts for your prescription needs, and discounts for your chiropractic needs, all for one small price of $24.95. So just want to let you know that we're real people. We enjoy this program because it's something that sells itself. We're not high-pressure salesmen. We're, again, two guys who stumble on a good program that we love, and we'd like to recommend it to you. You can call us. We'll give you names, right, serial number, as they say, for anything that you might need. But please consider Ameriplan's program for dental support and your medical services.
And folks, I'd like to add to what Bill said, the fact that we are taught in the military teamwork. I didn't learn until maybe a year ago. A lot of the folks in my church, the entire church is military, active and retired, but in the desert with me, there were other church members at the same base, Daharan, that I didn't know at the time. We have to look out for each other. I would recommend this program to any veteran anywhere in the nation. And also I want folks to know, Bill and I have a passion for helping our fellow veterans, and there is no way, under any circumstances, we would knowingly try to mislead any veteran, period. We are a team from the time that we entered and until the time they look down and say, you're gone. We will take care of you, folks. So please trust us, give us a call, let us answer your questions, email us. We have a very, very secure site that you can look at, ask questions, and if you want, you can even sign up on that site. So please trust in two fellow veterans that have your interest at heart. Thanks a lot.